Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to copy multiple texts or multiple words on your MS Word document and paste accordingly as you want. I mean to say that you can copy multiple texts right now and you can paste accordingly. So for it you have to use clipboard. So look here guys, when you copy any of these options or these texts and you paste here, and when you copy again another text, then the first one will be vanished away and you will be unable to recover that, or you will be unable to paste the first one. So friends, you can do so by using clipboard option. You get this option on home tab on MS Word, and when you click on diagonal arrow, you can see that what you have copied later, that is clipboard, you are getting here the text. And when again you copy anything else or cut anything else, like I am copying here, you will get another history here. And when you copy anything else, you will also again get a history here. And when you want to paste it, or you are using control V or paste options to paste these texts, you are pasting here, you are pasting this. And if you want to paste this, you just have to select this one, and whenever you want to paste this, you can also again use paste option, and this will be in your memories or clipboard's memory, and this command for paste will be applicable for same. So friends, if you want to clear these options, you can do accordingly. You just have to click on the down arrow and you have to just click on delete option, and you can also click on clear all. So friends, hope you have understood how to copy many texts, many words or many sentences in MS Word and paste accordingly.